Well, hello, all my leaders who are pickleball players and all my pickleball players who are leaders. Now, do you have to deal with tight deadlines, small margins for error, and a need to avoid obstacles at work? Well, I got some good news for you. There might just be a pickleball drill for that. It's called the Cross Court Team Challenge Drill. Check it out here. Now, the goal of this drill is to teach you how to work when there are tight deadlines, less room for error, and pressure to avoid mistakes or obstacles. Just like in business. Now, here's how that would work. Players position themselves diagonally at the kitchen or the no volley zone line. The players would then place 3 numbered cones or hula hoops or some type of marking in front of them as shown here. One player would then call out the number of the obstacle to avoid. The players would identify those obstacles on the court, and then they would dink the ball cross court into the kitchen while avoiding those obstacles. Now, this will be followed by a debrief on how to apply that skill on the job. The Cross Court Team Challenge Drill is just one of the drills that we teach in our Pickleball for Team Building workshop. Now, if you're interested in learning more about our pickleball leadership and team building workshops, just head over to www.pickleballleadership.com. And don't forget to pick up a copy of my latest book, Pickleball Leadership, Lessons from the Court to the Boardroom, available on Amazon.com.